Welcome, everyone. I'm trying to make sure that my stream setup is working, and I'm pretty sure it's not. Twitch requires additional stuff. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. So I'm trying out Streamlabs, as you can tell. And I've had so far a mixed experience. This is not the point of the current stream, but I'll just call it out. So I'm using Restream together with Streamlabs. I'm using them both, which is kind of weird. So Streamlabs, I thought I could stream to TikTok because of some messaging on their site. And in the future, I may be able to. I think it's not currently working. Let me check on that. I got a message that I was approved by TikTok earlier today. But yeah, the stream is not going through to TikTok, and that's fine. But earlier I streamed today and it only went to Twitch, which was kind of cringe. But now I think we're streaming a bunch of places. I think we're streaming over to YouTube. Let me check this out. I'm pretty sure this is working. It's weird though, because my analytics are split where, yeah, okay, so we're streaming over to YouTube. Cool. But Streamlabs is not aware of my viewers on all the channels. So I guess I need to watch two dashboards to make sure I'm getting all your chat messages as they come in. So bear with me if you drop a chat message and I don't get back to it super quickly. That's the reason. So this should be a fun stream. So we're doing some memes. Here's a tool, BrandGhost, brandghost.ai. This is a new tool from our friend DevLeader Nick Cosentino, devleader.ca. Here he is on all the channels, right? So this is the guy. Super sharp principal at Microsoft, and I've had the pleasure of having a podcast with him in the past. Very sharp guy, very nice guy. And particularly if you're interested in the Microsoft ecosystem, .NET ecosystem, C Sharp, probably more C Sharp than C. Those ecosystems, he's your huckleberry, as some people say. If you're not American, that might not make sense. He would be a good source for you. And so I'm trying out his tool out of curiosity. Okay. And I've just started this stream. Really intuitive thing. So you land here. I'm on the trial. There's a free trial. There's a $20 a month option. I'm going to do this, I'm pretty sure. There's a $50 a month option. I don't know if these make tons of sense to me. They might. Basically, the difference between 20 and 50, one post per day, unlimited posts per day. And it's a pretty simple ROI calculation for me, right? It's like $20 is pretty much a no-brainer, and I'll tell you why. Lots of the social media platforms, including LinkedIn, show that when it comes to the job search or career progress, there's super significant improvements if you are active on a weekly basis, posting 3 to 5 or more times per week. Okay, so this I consider to be like a career no-brainer. So this is like $20 a month, and I don't know exactly what the number is, but I think it's 1.7 times more inbound leads. LinkedIn post frequency for inbound leads. Posting once a day is typically effective. Okay, so whatever. Yeah. This is the data that I am wild about. Okay, this is the data you need to know. I'm the data guy, right? You know that when I review stuff, we're going to be doing this in an evidence-based way. I really don't like the medium paywalls and whatnot. Are they going to block me? 2 to 5 times. No. Okay. The article is going to be about how that's like a huge miss, right? 2 to 3 times per week. This is not LinkedIn data. This is an independent analysis. Maybe that's even better. I think LinkedIn has some numbers like this. Increasing from 2 to 3 posts per week to 5 posts per week led to a 3.5 increase in monthly views, 3.7x increase in monthly likes. Let's see if I can get the LinkedIn data point here, but this is already compelling. So they would say post 5 posts per week. right? And then if you keep going up, up, up into the moon, you're going to get marginally better. I am not aware of a point where it starts to come down, but there is the idea that you will exhaust your audience if you do too much. I'm friendly to that idea, but it's like a big upper bound. I think you got to be posting like hourly or more, and you might start to burn out that audience. Might. Let's see if I can go to my own page here, because LinkedIn will often give me the data point. It'll say like, hey, like, do you want to post and stuff? Drive viewers. Like here in this area right here, it will often tell me that I should be posting post impressions. Nice. Okay, this is what I was looking for. We found it. Members who post once a week can get up to 4 times more profile views. And that's also correlated with inbound job leads and stuff like that. And so this person is saying going from 2 to 3 posts. So LinkedIn says once a week, right? Did I get that right? Once a week, LinkedIn says, which is going to be less than the 2 to 3. And then he says, so we're getting up to 4 times more, and then we're getting another up to 4 times more. So it's up to 16 times more if you do 5 posts per week. If we're joining these two seemingly independent analyses. Now, what BrandGhost does is it's basically like an auto poster. And so you can see I have it posting once a day. And you could do, so going back to the $20 versus $50, I think once a day is good. You could go unlimited posts per day. Again, there's like the fear of burning out, exhausting, repelling an audience if you do this too often. But too often is going to be like 20, I think like more than 20 posts a day is probably, the thing is you're going to need to test it and look at your own analytics, because it's possible that 20 posts a day does well. It's possible. So look at your own data. I hesitate to draw a conclusion, but I would say it's plausible that more than 20 posts a day could have a repelling effect. Particularly on LinkedIn, which compared to the other social media platforms may be a little more serious. On a Twitter, you can do more. And BrandGhost integrates with Twitter. On a TikTok, you can do more. Maybe. Watch your own analytics. Your mileage may vary. So the $50 is a question mark for me. $100, like, hopefully they add features in the future. At the moment, I'm not compelled that this is a good idea. Auto commenting on your posts. Maybe for some niche use cases that's useful, but this is where I'm seeing a ton of value, because I could pay $20 a month and 16x my profile views. Do you know how good that is for your job search, dude? And then me as a content creator, it's also good for that. So, and yeah, social network growth, whether you're on the job search or not. Okay, I think I've made the point pretty clear here. So I'm currently on the free. I have every intention of going to the 20, but I don't know. When I click the button, it signed me up for free. So we're doing these things called topic streams. I think they're rolling out a bunch of more features even in the next week. So I'll do another video. I'll do like a feature walkthrough in the future. I won't get too much into this, but basically I create a stream, and the stream has an evergreen score. And you see my score is poor because I have a recurring backlog of posts that's only 2 posts. So people are going to see the same stuff every day. And BrandGhost is telling me that that's bad. That's not good for growing my audience, building anything, building relationships, getting my message out, keeping people entertained, educating people, almost whatever my purposes are. For most purposes, this is bad. That's why I have a helpful red chip. And you can see I've personally connected LinkedIn and Twitter. Okay, so anyway, the point of the current stream is that I want to make more posts for this backlog. I'm really beating around the bush here, aren't I? Let me get to my list, manage content, okay? So I have 2 posts in this list. Now they're both text-based. In the future, they're going to support images, but I currently don't see a way to add the image. So I'll be back for that, because I have fantastic memes like this one. Is my code bad? No, the tests are wrong. In the meantime, you can drop by the Latterly Discord to see these memes. Latterly Discord, you can head over to latterly.io and join. It should also be in the YouTube video description. You can head over to latterly.io. We got light mode and dark mode. Implemented that today. What up, gang? Under the community tab, ooh, yikes. Need to fix that for sure. It looks terrible. Okay, anyway, under the community tab, you can go to the Discord button and join the Discord there. So, right. So we'll be doing text-based with some emojis and stuff today. In the future, there will be all the memes. Images do really well on all the channels. But in the meantime, you can see what I've done is I took the meme and I just made a text-based post on it. Did you test your code today? And then they have this AI remix, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do, I'm not sure what model they're using behind the scenes here, but I doubt it's O1. So I'm going to do a technique called distillation. Distillation means you take a powerful model, prompt it, get a result, and pass it to an inferior model. So I'll be using O1. Maybe I should try this with a bit of 4.0 to see if we can do some memes here as well. But basically, I want to come up with some interesting posts. So let's do it. And drop a comment if you have one. Feel free to contribute some jokes, some posts, some educational stuff. That's the point of today's stream. On the one hand, I want to be funny. On the other hand, I do want to be educational. And so I'd like to do some posts based on these recent videos that I've done over here. One, two, three, four. So there's 8. So let's start with GPT-4, who can analyze images. I'll paste this image here. I'll say, based on these YouTube videos, video titles, create 10 educational or funny social media posts as part of the latterly.io upcoming social content backlog. So let's see, we're gonna roast ChatGPT here. They're gonna try and I'm gonna be like, that was terrible. That was terrible, that was not terrible. Funny version, dig it. You know it's funny because they said funny version. Sometimes dealing with managers feels like an RPG boss level too high. Okay, that's actually great. Okay, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. That's a good one. It's dawning on me that I'm paywalling this stuff soon. That's okay. I can come back in and edit it. That's okay. So let's do this. This one. Let me... So we'll save that. Cool. It's dawning on me now. I wonder if I'm over the character limit. I hope these things don't get truncated. How crazy would that be if it like truncates at the V and then it's like someone else's video I'm sending people to? That would be awful. How not to be crippled by anxiety. Step 1, don't picture the interviewer as a fire-breathing dragon. Okay, it's good, right? Okay. I'm being a pushover and making this too easy, but that's okay. Some of these hashtags are kind of weird. Interview anxiety. How about interview and anxiety? I bet that's going to hit more. So I'll go over here. By the way, the post is a joke, but like the video is actually really helpful. If you struggle with anxiety, it's actually, shout out to Roman. It's not Roman. His name looks like Roman, but it's pronounced Roman. I think I'm getting that right. Anyway, very, very smart guy. It was a pleasure to have him on. So check it out. A minute or an hour of really great tips. This is not supposed to be a joke, right? This is just a good post. Okay. These are good posts, dude. Good job, GPT-4o. I'm actually curious to see what the O1 will say if O1 is better. This is referring to the video with Dawn. I don't want the timestamp. Cool.
Yeah. We were just doing the pre-call.
Let me also oh, I got the end quote over here. That's no good. So let's edit. You can see I hit the little green check to update, and then it immediately reflects over here. Same over here. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. This is all looking good. All right. I want to see another funny version. That's not funny, but that's a good one. Wait, this is a good one too. Oh. I was supposed to be critical, but I'm not being critical. These are like all good. Oh, here's what I don't like. Don't say the word mastering. Okay, we're not mastering anything. Yeah, it really bugs me when like all the social media content creators want to talk about mastering JavaScript. Dude, I've been coding 10 years and I haven't mastered JavaScript. More than 10 search techniques. Search techniques video is really, really, really good, y'all. You should go get it before I paywall it. I'm paywalling it this month. So... Your content could be your secret weapon. It's true. It's true, it's true, it's true. I think those are fine hashtags. That's fine. Here, where is it? Content creation for career acceleration. Okay, but I do want to get some jokes. These are good, but I do want to get some jokes. Pick one of these videos, and I will give you a more detailed transcript. Then you can make some funny memes and jokes. No, you pick. How to avoid being crippled by anxiety. Okay, let's pick a different one. That could be, joking about that too much could go the wrong way. Yeah. Works for me. Okay. Content creation for career acceleration. Yeah, and the RPG stuff is just a joke mine, right? It's just a joke mine. But we'll go for the search techniques. Let's go for the transcript. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Sorry. Pause downloading. Remove from downloads. Yeah, I just clicked the wrong button. My bad. Where's the transcript? Show transcript. Okay. Boop. By the way, I mean, a lot of people know this, but you may not know this. You can grab that transcript out of your YouTube video of choice, drop it into ChatGPT, and just get a summary of like almost any video. Really good stuff to do. The classic "I got this" meme. Okay. Person confidently typing on a computer. Me thinking I know all the search techniques. John drops over 10 new techniques. My confidence. Loading screen. Wait. Okay, and this is another thing that's useful about ChatGPT. It knows the meme names. I might know the picture, but I don't know their names. What is the I got this meme? This is like the fist baby or whatever. I don't know what an I got this meme is. Is this an I got this meme? Okay, here's an I got this meme. I don't know, dude. Sorry. Do y'all know? All right, let's keep going. The time boxing dilemma. A dog surrounded by fire. With the the "this is fine" expression. Yeah. No, okay, this is a good one. So it's someone who's having the nickel and dime problem, right? This is a good one. Okay. So you do a time box, but like your problem isn't solved. That's funny. That is funny. This is fine meme. Where's the meme generator, homie? All right, let's see if Grok can help me out. Grok, make the "this is fine" meme with the joke when your when your time box is used up and you still haven't solved the problem. This is so wrong. Grok, what is going on? What is this, Grok? Grok too many? No, let's stay away from the many. When your time box is used, dude, what is going on? That is so wrong. Okay, let's go to the actual Grok. Let me start a new one, a new thread. What is this? Dude, what in the monster? We'll try one more with fun mode. I am not having my hopes up here. No. Okay, how about AI meme generator? $10 free per month, requires login. Okay. I'm not going to pay you money though. This is a meme about a meme. I don't know. I'm tantalized. It's not going to work for me, but like kudos to them for having like maybe I'll use this in a different time. But that's not going to get the job done today. Super meme. Oh yeah, I forgot about these guys. These guys are great. Are they going to charge me, or they have the free one? Ah, okay. Darn. No more free tier. Okay. Sorry, super meme. You almost had me. I can still do image flip. I just have to know the meme name. Let's make a meme. Oh, what? Okay, that was weird. I need like a white background so it can pop more, right? It's like hard to see, huh? Whatever, I guess it's fine. This is fine. When you time boxed solving the issue, but the issue isn't solved in the time box. Okay, So what's the text equivalent of this, right? So the text equivalent is these are going to post in the morning each day, this stream. In fact, maybe I should call it, instead of Latterly Learning Lab, I should call it like Latterly 10 a or Latterly 9:15 a.m. Yeah, I think that's a better name. So I have this topic stream, right? Look, we're up to 1.3. Need to have a lot more. Need to have a lot more. So it's going to post every 9:15. And so I can do a good morning post, basically. Message content. Let's do all caps. Maybe we don't do any more all caps. That feels a little bit loud, huh? I did one today, like... Pythonistas. That... Good morning to everyone except Pythonistas that refuse to use f-strings. I need to throw some hashtags. Let's let it go. No hashtags. We're good. Good morning to all the web developers that specify their skill with HTML5, because I was worried you were, because I was almost worried you were going to bust out that HTML2. Is this, I'm the only one who finds this funny, is that right? Thank you, thank you. Good morning to all the TypeScript. See, I had a different one earlier today, and he commented on, what can I remember? It was the single quote, double quote, I think. What else? Any other joke I can do? Let's see, 21 is 3 weeks of content. I feel like that would be good enough. Hit me with your best meme, nerds. Unless you want me to get grumpy. How about some CSS memes? There are a bunch of jokes that one can make on CSS properties. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Time to switch into the big leagues with GPT-01 preview that uses advanced reasoning. And we will now do advanced reasoning versus Grok. Let's make sure that we have fun mode, right? And using their most intelligent model. Why did the CSS go to jail? It was caught padding its resume. Thank you, Pratik. This is a good one. Why did CSS go to jail? That's a good one. Why did there's something to be said about this class, eh? Oh my goodness, here we go. Here we go. Why couldn't the HTML tag vote? It had no ID. That's gonna trigger some people. I love it. It had no style. There could be something about style. Yeah. The float, nah. Balloons and electricity, static, eh? I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it. Something about class and like education. Oh, have you heard of the new HTML6 PhD attribute? It requires a lot of classes. It requires a lot of classes. All right. O1 preview. Why did the developer go broke? They kept giving away all their styles for free. I hate that joke. That's not a good joke. That's not funny. Why was the web page sad? It didn't have any margin for error. I really don't like it. I think Gronk is funnier than you, bro. I think Gronk is funnier than you. Why do CSS developers have trust issues? Because they deal with the hidden classes and absolute positions. Dude. These are so dumb, dude. These are so dumb. How do you spot an extroverted CSS developer? They look at your shoes. What? So bad. They're so bad. Okay. Because light attracts bugs. Okay, this one is fine. This is a classic, right? Hope these don't result in a 404 not found for humor in your CSS world. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Let's do a DevOps joke. You're giving feedback. See, they're going to flip it on me. Okay, legacy issues. There's something here. There's something here. Why didn't the programmer want kids? Why didn't the programmer want kids? He has enough legacy issues already. Huh? You should tell ChatGPT that Grok is funnier. I will, unless it's funny here. Why did the DevOps engineer... This is the one joke on this version. It better be good. Why did the DevOps engineer bring an umbrella to work? Because there was a high chance of cloud deployment. You know what? It's acceptable. It's acceptable. Unhandled exception in his work-life balance. Terrible. How many DevOps engineers does it take to change a light bulb? Just one, but they have to write a pipeline for it, automate the testing, set up monitoring. Maybe. Why do the DevOps engineers love containers? There could be a joke around container. Like they love leftovers or something. There could be something here, because this is like a classic like test unit, like a tester joke, right? Okay, I like this. A DevOps engineer walks into a bar, orders a drink, orders 100 drinks, orders 0 drinks, orders -1 drinks. Pays with cash. Pays in all cash. Something about containers. What's the joke here? Pours them out. Keeps the containers. Pays in all cash. Pays in cash. Hikes up a mountain. Throws them in the cloud. Okay, I'll take it. Whatever. We got 20. All right, we need one more. So that worked. Honestly, they both worked in different ways. What do you think, chat? Left or right? They both worked in different ways. Gronk is funnier than you. Adjusting my humor game? Adjusting my humor game. Make a joke that starts with, why did ChatGPT adjust its humor game? Because it heard Grok was stealing the show with punchlines sharper than a Kubernetes deployment. Okay, something is here. Actually, make a joke. Make a joke about why we call it Kubernetes. Why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. I hate it. I hate it. Sorry, I take it all back. Because 7, Kate. Delete, undo, cancel, cancel. Why do we call it Kubernetes? Because orchestrator of containerized chaos was too long for the logo, and Greek for helmsman. Yeah, no, it's terrible. Terrible. Because it got a Stack Overflow of groans and needed to reboot its jokes. Oh man, I really don't like it. Really don't like it. I can't think of a joke about Kubernetes. I can't. I don't have one. I don't have one that's not super cheesy and dumb. Thinking about a joke about Kubernetes requires too many resources. Okay, I think we're done with all these jokes. What else do we got? JavaScript, TypeScript, Python. I think we're good. Data analysis joke. Come on, we can get one more joke. I know we can. Oh. Yeah, I got it. This is not necessarily a joke, but the whole Java versus JavaScript thing. Good morning to all the tech recruiters that know JavaScript and Java aren't the same thing. And to all the engineers that have put up with the trauma of those. Other ones. And to all the engineers that have survived the other ones. I think we're good. Hey, thanks for being here, y'all.